Getting dental implants today is like washing your face. It's that simple. In some cases, some people can get a dental implant to enhance their smile, to stabilize their prosthesis within an hour. 1 hour. This has not always been. But based on your diagnosis, based on your condition, you can have the dental implants. And we strongly recommend many dental implants for our elderly population that have lost their bone. I've seen so many patients just so happy and rejuvenant because their denture didn't float anymore. And they could bite into an apple. They could chew. And it's a very good feeling to see a patient so ecstatic about, I have my teeth back, I can eat again. So dental implants are very good for people that are edentulous, people that have missing teeth, they want to improve their smile. So come and see us.